So we're going to show you how to put a mirror on your bike. Obviously, we don't want to put it on the bend. We want to put it right between the throttle and the keypad. So what we're going to do, we're going to loosen the keypad. There's an Allen bolt on the back of here, and you do have the proper Allen in your toolkit. And what we're going to do is we're just going to loosen this up a little bit.
2.5.
And it's a 2.5 millimeter Allen. We're going to loosen this up. We're going to get the keypad out of the way. Okay, that should be enough. The mirror itself mounts like this. So we're going to actually slide that through here. Screw it down. And take that 2.5 again. Straighten your keypad out to wherever you want it. Lock it back down. Most important thing is you want to make sure your throttle is clear and your buttons are clear. Otherwise, that's how you mount your mirror. That's really it.